4 days after two powerful earthquakes hit Venezuela, rescuers are still searching for survivors. Officials say the death toll from the disaster has now risen to over 1,400. Tens of thousands of people are reported as being missing, and authorities say the chances of finding people alive diminishes with every hour that passes.
Amid the devastation, a rare moment of joy. A 9-month-old baby and its mother found alive in the rubble after two devastating back-to-back earthquakes hit Venezuela this week. International rescue workers are now helping to search the worst-hit areas, including the capital Caracas and La Guaira, where rescuers brought this 11-year-old boy to safety. Around 50,000 people are still missing, and time is running out. Humanitarian aid agencies say the first 72 hours are crucial for rescuing people alive. Pope Leo has called for prayers for those affected.
I renew my spiritual solidarity with the families, the injured and all those who have been so severely struck by this tragedy. I would also like to express my gratitude and encouragement to all those who are working tirelessly in the search and rescue operations.
The disaster struck a country already in turmoil after US forces captured the then leader Nicolas Maduro earlier this year. The government has been accused of being slow to respond to the disaster.
We don't have any heavy machinery. A huge number of rescue workers have come to help, and they're giving it their all. But we need machinery.
As rescue efforts enter a critical stage, thousands of families are clinging to the hope of finding their loved ones alive. Aisling Kenny, RTE News.